Picture tossing a message in a bottle, not into the sea, but into the endless, enigmatic reaches of the cosmos, a message crafted for any future finder, no matter how far away in space or time. That's the heart of the Voyager missions. Humanity's daring outreach across the cosmic ocean, an attempt to connect with whatever or whoever might be out there. The Voyager story is one of relentless curiosity and awe, a legacy that continues to inspire. In the late 1970s, Voyager 1 and 2 launched as our robotic pioneers to the outer planets, seizing a once-in-a-lifetime planetary alignment that happens just once every 176 years. With clever use of gravity assists, they leapt from world to world, sending back stunning photos and priceless data that turned distant specks of light into vibrant, surprising worlds. Their findings: erupting volcanoes on Io, Saturn's complex braided rings, and Triton's bizarre, icy landscape, reshaped everything we thought we knew about our solar system's variety. After their groundbreaking planetary flybys, the Voyagers journeyed onward, breaking records as the first spacecraft to exit the Sun's protective bubble, the heliosphere. Today, they drift through the unexplored territory of interstellar space, silent explorers gathering knowledge for all of humanity, carrying our collective hopes into the unknown. Their instruments, once aimed at planets and moons, now probe the strange environment between the stars, collecting data never before seen. The Voyager Odyssey stands as proof of human imagination, resourcefulness, and our unending drive to explore, a saga that continues to motivate new generations. Even now, separated by billions of miles, they beam back faint signals from the cosmic void, pushing the limits of our understanding and showing just how far our reach can go. As the Voyagers left the planets behind, the universe became a realm of emptiness, a vast and silent ocean stretching farther than anyone could imagine. The familiar worlds faded into the distance, and the spacecraft entered a place where almost nothing exists. There was just a faint hum of electronics in the cold, dark void, the only sign of life in an otherwise lifeless expanse. The gentle glow of indicator lights was a reminder that, even here, human curiosity persisted. The sun, once a blazing presence, faded to a distant star, barely more than a pinpoint of light. Still, the probes pressed on, measuring the thin wind of particles and the subtle shifts in the galactic magnetic field, gathering data from a region no human-made object had ever reached before. Their data gives us our first direct taste of the interstellar medium, the birthplace of new stars and worlds, a place where cosmic mysteries are born and where the building blocks of planets drift for eons. Powered by decaying plutonium, these marvels of 1970s engineering have outlasted all expectations, sending faint signals that take over 22 hours to reach Earth. Each transmission is a whisper across the cosmos, a message from the edge of our solar neighborhood. Voyager 1 is now more than 24 billion kilometers away. Its journey a study in patience and endurance, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless drive to explore. The constellations remain unchanged, the galaxies still distant, but the emptiness is profound. Out here, time seems to stretch, and the silence is almost absolute. For years, nothing unexpected happened, just the slow, steady drift through the void as the spacecraft continued its lonely voyage into the unknown, faithfully carrying its golden record. Yet, even in this vast silence, the universe had surprises in store. Strange bursts of energy and unexpected signals occasionally broke the monotony, reminding us that space is never truly empty. The Voyagers remind us that exploration is as much about enduring the unknown as it is about discovery. Their journey is a story of persistence, hope, and the courage to venture beyond the familiar. In the emptiness, they found something no one anticipated, evidence that even in the loneliest corners of the universe, there are still secrets waiting to be revealed. Then, something changed. A faint, rhythmic pulse detected by Voyager 1's plasma wave instrument. It was subtle, almost lost in the endless static of space, but it stood out just enough to catch the attention of the team back on Earth. At first, it seemed like a glitch, a fleeting artifact in the data, but careful analysis revealed a real persistent signal, a whisper in the silence, repeating with uncanny regularity. Scientists combed through years of data, finding ghostly traces of the same anomaly, previously dismissed as noise. Now, those overlooked blips took on new meaning, hinting at a pattern that had been hiding in plain sight. In the near-perfect vacuum of interstellar space, such a regular disturbance was baffling. The emptiness should have been absolute, yet something was stirring the silence. The signal wasn't a radio message, but a physical wave, like the wake of something moving through water, rippling through the thin plasma that fills the void between stars. Voyager's cameras were long shut down, unable to capture images in the darkness, but its instruments could still feel the presence of something nearby, sensing what eyes could not see. The plasma was being pushed and compressed in a regular pattern, as if Voyager had a ghostly companion, moving in tandem through the endless night, leaving a trail of disturbances behind. The source was invisible, but its effect was undeniable. A heartbeat in the darkness, steady and persistent, echoing through the emptiness. This was no ordinary cosmic event. It was a mystery that defied easy explanation. The team debated possibilities, each more improbable than the last, as the data continued to arrive. The data suggested Voyager was not alone in the void. Something else was out there, sharing the darkness, its presence revealed only by the faintest of touches. Something was out there, moving through the interstellar night, unseen but not unfelt, its passage marked by the trembling of the plasma. The universe had sent a new puzzle, hidden in the faintest of signals, a riddle waiting to be solved, echoing across the vast silent gulf of space. Scientists quickly ruled out the obvious suspects. It wasn't a planet. Planets don't roam interstellar space or create such disturbances. Nor was it a star. Even the dimmest would have been detected by Voyager's instruments. The object was dark, small, and active. Something new. Its movement was the real enigma. It wasn't drifting with the galactic current, but following its own unpredictable path. Subtle accelerations and decelerations hinted at propulsion by an unknown force. Unlike planets or comets, which obey gravity's rules, this object moved with a strange autonomy. Its energetic wake and erratic motion pointed to something dynamic, not passive. It was a true anomaly, a ghost in the cosmic machine. The more scientists studied it, the more it defied classification. It was neither planet nor star, but something entirely different. The cosmos had revealed a new kind of traveler. The mystery deepened with every new piece of data. With familiar explanations exhausted, speculation flourished. Was it a new type of celestial object? Perhaps a dense remnant with unusual magnetic properties, or even a hypothetical quark nugget? Some imagined a self-sustaining plasma vortex, a kind of interstellar hurricane, though such structures seemed unlikely to persist. Others wondered if it was interacting with dark matter, its motion shaped by invisible forces. Each theory had flaws. No direct evidence, untestable ideas, or signatures that didn't quite fit. All scientists had was the wake, a rhythmic pulse in the plasma, like ripples left by a passing ship. The object itself remained unseen, its nature elusive. This was the frontier of science, where data ends and imagination begins. The universe had thrown a curveball, and the challenge was to catch it. The search for answers pushed the boundaries of what we thought possible. One theory began to stand out: the cosmic drifter hypothesis. It proposed the object was a naturally formed body rich in material that acts like a solar sail. Instead of sunlight, it caught the galactic wind, particles and radiation flowing through the Milky Way. Over billions of years, even a faint push could accelerate such an object to significant speeds. The rhythmic pulse Voyager detected might be caused by the object's slow rotation, modulating its interaction with the plasma. This explained its propulsion, its changing speed, and its invisibility. It reflected only the faintest starlight. Perhaps it was a giant crystalline structure, ejected from a nebula and set adrift. A cosmic sailboat, built by nature, silently crossing the galaxy. While still unproven, the idea elegantly connected the data to known physics. The cosmic drifter captured imaginations, a natural sailor on the interstellar sea. This discovery is a powerful reminder that the universe is far from empty or static. It hints at a hidden population of dark, moving objects, unseen travelers shaping the galaxy in ways we're only beginning to imagine. If cosmic drifters exist, they could transport matter, even organic molecules, across interstellar distances, influencing the spread of life. The interstellar medium is not just empty space, but a realm with its own weather and traffic. The Voyager probes, built with 1970s technology, are still making fundamental discoveries, proving that exploration is about persistence as much as innovation. This phantom challenges our models and humbles our assumptions. It shows how much we have yet to learn about our own galaxy. The universe is richer and stranger than our philosophies can predict. The lesson: keep looking, keep listening, and stay open to the unexpected. The unknown is not empty. It's full of possibility. The story of Voyager and its mysterious companion is a testament to human curiosity. We are explorers by nature, always seeking what lies beyond the next horizon. The Voyager probes, drifting through the darkness, embody that spirit, our surrogates in the cosmic unknown. Their greatest discoveries were never planned, but found in the silence between destinations. Science thrives on the unexpected, and the universe is under no obligation to make sense to us. The cosmic drifter is not an endpoint, but a signpost, an invitation to ask bigger questions. There is still magic and mystery in the cosmos, waiting to be found. When you look up at the night sky, remember Voyager, our silent ambassador, still reporting from the interstellar sea. Its journey reminds us, the quest for knowledge never ends. The voyage continues, as long as we keep asking, what's out there?